How to fix verification failed. There's an error connecting to Apple ID server. So if you want to fix verification failed Apple ID server problem, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to go with general, scroll down, go with general, and then again scroll down, go with date and time. Now in this case, if your set time automatically is turned off, or if your time zone is in a different area, then you might face that kind of issues. So essentially, if you don't have the correct date and time of whenever you physically are or wherever you physically are, you might get that error message that the verification failed. So I would always recommend you to turn this on to see the date and time automatically. The next thing that we'll do is go back out of here, and at the very beginning tap on the name and then scroll to the bottom, and you will have a sign out button. So you just need to simply enter your Apple password or your Apple ID password and sign out of your entire iCloud Apple ID account, and just log back in again. That should verify who you are and that you're the owner of that account. And again, if you get the error, basically the verification error, then you can again go back and then scroll down and go with general, and here on the very bottom you will have shutdown option. So you'll be surprised that if there are any bugs or any other problems, then by just doing a shutdown on your iPhone, it will fix major problems. Or you can also just go with a simple restart or reset. So go with general and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then go with reset, and from here you can go with reset all settings, and after resetting your settings your problem might be fixed. So these were the few solutions, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.